Here is the answer for the day 2 bell work. Question A, find the mass of this many moles of iron oxide. In the previous bell work, we found the molar mass of iron oxide. We found how much 1 mole weighs. So we need to take that value and multiply by the number of moles. We know from earlier this year that to solve a conversion problem, to change from moles into a mass in grams, is done by writing your known quantity down first, then writing multiply, drawing a fraction line, and creating a conversion factor ratio. Whatever unit is written in this position needs to go down here. Whatever you're asked to change into, we're looking for a mass in grams, needs to go in the top. By following that dimensional analysis procedure, that's how you create the correct setup to your math problems. Now, what is the number that needs to go in the top? Well, it's how many grams there are in 1 mole of iron oxide. That's that molar mass idea. So look up iron on the periodic table, it's 55.847, and times by 2 because of the subscript. Look up oxygen, it's 15.999, and times by 3 because of that subscript. We need to figure out what this numerator number is. We need to find how many grams there are in 1 mole of iron oxide. So that's the first thing to type in the calculator. When you evaluate that numerator, you're able to rewrite the problem like this. 2.05 times 10 to the negative 2 moles times, and that numerator turns out to be 159.691. Then the final step is to multiply these two values together. The result is 3.27 grams. I know that the unit that remains is grams because the word moles cross-cancels out the word moles, leaving grams. Question B, how many moles is 64.0 grams of O2? This is also a conversion problem, beginning with the unit grams and changing into the unit moles. So follow the conversion process. Take that quantity you're given, 64.0 grams, and write it down. Then write times and draw the fraction line. This is grams here, so put grams in the bottom. Put moles in the top. That's the one we're asked to figure out. To make our conversion, we need to find, well, how many grams are there in 1 mole of O2? Oxygen's 15.999, and you'd want to times that by 2 because of that subscript. The first thing you would type on the calculator is this part right here so you can figure out what that denominator is. That allows us to rewrite the work like this. 64.0 grams times, and then it will be 1 mole over 31.998 grams. The final step is to type 64.0 times 1 and then divide the 31.998. And the result is 2.00 moles. The unit is moles because the G's have cross-canceled away, leaving the unit moles.